Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start in Safari because the trick uses the browser's background audio controls. Open YouTube. Sign in if you want playlists and load the video you want to play. Once the video starts, tap the three-dot menu and choose Request Desktop Site. This forces the desktop player controls and keeps the play button visible. Make sure the video begins playing in the page. If it's paused, hit play, then you're ready to move to the next step to get true background audio. After the desktop player runs, press the Home gesture or Home button to leave Safari. The video may pause. Immediately open Control Center by swiping down or up depending on your iPhone. There you'll see the Safari audio card with play controls. Tap play to resume audio in the background. You can now open other apps or lock the screen and audio continues. This works because iOS treats Safari's desktop audio session like background media when resumed from Control Center. To finish, lock your iPhone and verify audio keeps playing. If it does, you've succeeded. If audio stops when switching apps or locking, reopen Control Center and hit play to re-enable the Safari audio session. If Control Center doesn't show the Safari card, return to Safari, reload the desktop site, start playback, then repeat the Home to Control Center step. As a quick troubleshoot, clear Safari's cache or force quit and relaunch Safari. Persistent failures usually come from autoplay blockers or outdated browser state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.